Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GMC Acadia Denali. This one's white. Underneath it is a 3.6 V6 pushing out 310 horsepower. For wheels we've got 20-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A beige leather interior. Denali stitching in the headrest. Sunroof, captain's chair in the rear. This one also does come with third row seating. Come around back, we've got our all-wheel drive Acadia badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats. Alongside, this one does come with the keyless entry, memory seats, Bose sound system. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, 6-speed automatic transmission. This GMC has 38,542 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Acadia Denali, check out feldmannimports.com.